updates coming in. With a scoop on the New Delhi Assembly Deputy Speaker, the Chief Minister is also to propose Mohan Singh Bisht's name. The name will be proposed by Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Now, the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will propose the name of the BJP MLA Mohan Singh Bisht for the post of the Deputy Speaker of the Delhi Assembly on the 27th of February. That is the third day of the session. And my colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Mohit, with no other contenders in the fray for the post, we're going to see Mohan Singh Bisht being the Deputy Speaker of the Assembly. What are the details?
Yes, in fact, and Mohan Singh Bisht is a six-time MLA, is one of the most senior leaders of the BJP in Delhi, and we know for a fact that how the official list of business has also come that for tomorrow that his name will be proposed by the Chief Minister of Delhi for the Deputy Speaker's post. Now, we know for a fact that how Mohan Singh Bisht is a six-time MLA, and he also contested elections from Mustafabad, which is said to be the most difficult seat for the BJP. Earlier, he used to win from Karawal Nagar, but this time around, Kapil Mishra contested from Karawal Nagar, and now he's all set to be the sorry, I beg your pardon, the Deputy Speaker of the Assembly. So clearly tomorrow the motion would be moved by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to propose the name of BJP MLA Mohan Singh Bisht, and in all likelihood, and it's sure that he will be the Deputy Speaker in the Assembly.
Okay, all right. Mohit, thank you for joining us with those details. So, Bisht is a six-time MLA. He's a veteran BJP leader. He won the Mustafabad Assembly seat in the Delhi Assembly elections, defeating the Aam Aadmi Party's Adil Ahmed Khan by over 17,000 votes. Before this, he had also represented the Karawal Nagar constituency in Delhi. He first won the seat in 1988 and has served until 2015. Now, apart from the election of Deputy Speaker, the third day of the session is also going to see a lot of discussions where the members can also raise matters with the chair's permission.